Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farid Fahmi bin Ahmad with the matrix number 2010921167. Today, I will discuss or explain on a very interesting topic, which is separately exciting DC motor versus the shunt DC motor. Okay, so first, this is the content, which is we will discuss on the introduction, the circuit diagram, characteristics, speed control, and application of SEDC and shunt DC motor. So, introduction. What is separately excited DC motor, or what we call it as SEDC? So, as the name implies, the main supply is delivered separately to the armature and field windings. In other words, the field circuit is supplied from the separately constant voltage power supply. And what about the shunt DC motor? A shunt DC motor is a type of self-excited DC motor. In a DC shunt motor, the field circuit gets its power directly across the armature terminal of the motor. And for this one, actually this table explains the characteristic of the circuit diagram. So as you can see, we can skip and go to the next slide, which is circuit diagram. Okay, this is the circuit diagram, separately excited DC motor. The left side actually is the stator part, and the right side is the rotor part. So based on as the names is separate, so we can see that it is been separated. So based on this circuit diagram, we can get these three formula, which is we can see over here. And then next, let's have a look on the circuit diagram of the shunt DC motor. As a name of the shunt, we know that when in a motor, shunt means parallel. So therefore, we can see on this diagram, there is a connection. The connection is for the field is in parallel to the armature. So based on this, we can get the formula. And for the I load, actually, is branch. So we can make a Kirchhoff current law, which is current in is equal to out. Okay. Actually, based on this also, we can see that the voltage terminal is equal to EA plus IARA. And it's actually same as the circuit diagram of SEDC. Why is it? We will discuss it on characteristic of it. So, characteristic of SEDC and the shunt DC motor. The characteristic of SEDC motor is same as shunt DC motor. Why is it? Okay, actually it's because the field is supported from a regulated voltage, so that the field current is fixed. Thus, these two motors have identical speed armature current and torque armature current futures. Next, on the speed control of the SEDC. Actually, there are just two methods of it, which is the first one, armature voltage control method, and next is the field flux control method. This one will be discussed. You can read just. Okay, so next is speed control of a shunt DC motor. Actually, for the shunt DC motor, there is three methods, which is the first one, adjusting the field resistance, second, adjusting the terminal voltage applied to armature, and lastly, inserting a resistor in a series with the armature circuit. Okay, so the application of the separately excited DC motor and shunt. Okay, separately excited DC motor are often used as actuators in trains and automotive traction application, as the picture above is showing that the actuators. While for the shunt, these motor are used whenever stable speed is required. This kind of DC motor can be used in centrifugal pumps, lift, weaving machine, blowers, fans, conveyors, and etc. So the second picture is about fans, and this is all the reference that I use. And that's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.